In this video, I'm going to help you understand rational numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says which number is a rational number, and we need to figure that out. So make sure you stick around for some of the tricks I'm going to show you at the end. There's a really good diagram that will help you with this in all the problems that you have that are similar. So we have to figure out which one of these is a rational number. Okay, so we have 19.333. It looks like it repeats forever. And then we have square root of 5. We have pi, the number pi, and the square root of 2. So let's review all the definitions of the numbers. A real number is all numbers that you can place on a number line. So these include rational and irrational numbers. So that means any number basically, a whole number, a fraction, a decimal, both repeating and non-repeating, okay? So rational numbers can be written as a fraction of two integers. Their decimals either terminate or repeat. Natural numbers are the counting numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can't forget 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay? Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be written as a fraction of two integers. Their decimals never end and never repeat. Okay? So, this is the chart and it summarizes everything. So, real numbers includes all numbers, rational, irrational, whole numbers, natural numbers. Okay? Here we have the rational numbers. These are fractions and repeating or terminating decimals. And then we have our whole numbers, which go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our natural numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay? And then, of course, we have our irrational numbers, numbers like pi and the square root of 2. So these are numbers where their decimals go on forever, and it's not repeating decimals. Okay? So these are irrational numbers. Their decimals never end and never repeat. If you put these numbers into a calculator, you'll see that they just go on forever. So the square root of 5 is going to be 2.236, and it just goes on forever. Pi is 3.1415, and it just goes on forever. The square root of 2 is 1.41421, and it just keeps going. So these are all irrational numbers. So this one is a rational number because the decimals repeat. Even though they go on forever, they repeat. So that means it's a rational number. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. In there, you'll see a link to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description, and there's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.